All right, you guys, so just came home from work Saturday. First thing I do is go straight into the garage. Why am I in the garage? Well, the coilovers finally came in, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing video. Yo, that tan line though.
It's good, no?
Ooh, you work out now?
A little bit.
Not bad, not bad. Little bro is buffer than me now. I'm way out of shape, but anyways, here's the box. I'm gonna show it to you right now. So here it is, the box. Stamped Megan Racing, so it's not just some kind of random box. It's actually, looks legit. Website right there. Box looks like it's in good shape. Still got those zip tie majiggers, the straps on it. About to all open it up, see what it looks inside. Inside the box, there's another box inside of it, and what I noticed in the beginning, there's like a slight little puncture right there in the box, and went through the second one as well. And then this bracket right here, brake line, I believe, kind of got a little scratched and it's a little bent, but I'm gonna look over every single one, make sure there's no like huge damages. I think I'll be okay with that. It's no biggie. But here they are. I'm about to take it out of the box and you'll see the whole box, how it looks on the outside. So here's the box. It's like a whitish, black, whatever. Megan Racing suspension system. This is the track series. And yeah, whatever, it's just the box. Again, right there, same part number as I need. So pretty much in the box, you have this, your adjuster tool, little toolkit or whatever description about it, instructions. Main thing is the sticker. It's like my first sticker, literally. I might put in a little spot where you can't really see it too much. But yeah, and the coilovers. Honestly, love the color of this. As you can see, here's the rears. Man, puppies are huge. Like that sticker and how it's kind of shining and glowing. Bam. Nice silver finish. It was either these or the Fortunato ones that I liked. Like colorways wise. Here's this again, the front one. Here you got the Megan Racing detail right there, looks nice. Camber plate. Some legitness right there. Can't wait to put it on. My car is parked somewhere all the way down there. Can't even see it. Now I'm just gonna set it up and just kind of do a little video and you guys can see every single coil, I guess. Alright, so here they are. Fronts, rears. I like them. How they look, but that's not the important part. Important part is how they drive. Try to compress this one. Oh yeah, definitely. You could compress this. Not bad, not bad. Psych. These things are stiff. 12 kilograms for the front and 10 in the rear. And from what I was looking around a little bit, it's pretty much 8 and 6, I believe. So these are a lot stiffer. But I read some reviews, the people that never got these say, oh, that's too much for daily driving. But the people that actually have these on their S14 say it's not too bad. So I guess time will tell. Put them on, install them, see how they drive. All right, you guys, that's gonna sum it up. I'm not gonna talk much more. Pretty much, this is my first set of coilovers. I am 25 years old now. I wanted coilovers when I was 18. It was a big thing, big deal. It was a hot item. It was a must-have if you're a car guy. But yeah, now 2018, I finally got a pair for myself. decided I'll pay a little more, not get the super cheap ones. But the main thing is, you know, I'm not no speed racer. I'm not gonna be at the track 24/7. They are on the rough side or the stiffness. So I hope in general it's just not too stiff, and I hope the suspension and the coilovers last me some time. So that's pretty much it. I ordered them on Tuesday, I believe, like end of day, and processing and shipping. They came Saturday. By the end of the week, they made it, so I'm happy. And also, I just want to say, I'll be doing like a little review about him, you know, after say 10,000 miles, maybe 20,000 miles, if I still keep the car. Here it is. So pretty much my first mod, I'm just gonna add a little thing, was a NRG quick release with the Momo steering wheel that I got off another car. Second mod is those wheels right there from the 350Z. And yeah, this is my third mod on the car, so stay tuned. I'm doing nothing crazy, but I do want to paint it. And yeah, I think that's it. You guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe. 4 Wheel Fun Bros. We out with my dog. Dobby.